year or so, and this is what people have been, this has been the heart of Ephesians Management, that all of the speakers here, traders that are here have this in mind. Number one, we want you to earn money. This seminar removes all concepts, theoretical stuff, but gives you the practical nitty-gritty on how you can earn and you can make and you can help learn to make money work for you. That's the point here. We're going to show you things that, based on concepts, based on theories, that what our speakers actually use and actually do. So what we're teaching you here are things that we actually do and actually perform in real life. See, nag-trade ka na, no? So, ano feeling pag nalugi? So, sabi niya, malungkot daw, pero sanay na daw siya malugi. Okay. So, ubos na pera mo. Diba? Okay, matama na, Patrick, matama na ito later kung madaming pera. So that's the whole point of this. We're going to give you different styles, different figures of people that will help you trade the market. Number two, the whole concept of this is that there's no right or wrong in the market. Depending on your style, depending on who you are, if you're a technical investor that uses graphs, or you're a person, a fundamental investor that uses financial statements to look and value stocks, there's no right or wrong. Kasi it's two extremes eh. People say that when you're trading technicals, I don't need to look at the valuation, basta umaandar, malakas yung volume, okay na ako. And you have another side of the spectrum, just looking at the value of the company. If it's cheap, I'll buy it. If it's overpriced, I won't buy it. And this is where we combine everything. Kasi, nga, fundamentalist ka nga, trader ka nga, pero di ka kumikita ng pera. Diba? So what's the point of you being in the market, sticking to a particular style that doesn't suit you? What we're going to show you here is that you'll see different styles of people. We'll have a speculative trader, we'll have two people using technicals, buying in and out of the market, and two people that doesn't use graphs at all. Wala silang pakialam sa graph, pero kumikita sila ng pera. And that's the whole point of this. You're right if you're making money. Di ba? Kasi kung nalalugi kayo dito, ikain na lang yung pera nyo, di ba? Mas maganda pa, may return on investment, lalaki yung chat nyo. Anyways, number three, so you can pick a style that fits you. Okay? You can look at something that, based on who you are, based on what you can tolerate, a style that will fit your own trading ability. Kasi all of us have different trading styles eh. All of us can, sino dito kaya bantayan yung stock niya everyday? Except for the speakers. Sino dito rin? Show your hands. Sino dito kaya nila bantayan yung stock nila once a day or once a week? Sino dito willing to watch their stocks once a month? See? I saw different hands raised. The point here is this. All of us have different realities. All of us have different experiences. All of us go through different things. It's understandable if you're working an 8-hour job, tapos sales ka, nasa field ka, you can't regularly watch a stock. But that's okay. People still earn money when you're doing that. For those that are nasa office, and they can watch their stocks every day kasi online sila, alam ko kayo, alt-tab lang kayo, nakapag-trade kayo while working. Pagdating ng boss nyo, alt-tab lang. Tapos balik sa screen, balik sa Outlook. But yun eh, you have to find a style that suits you. And that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna encourage you to find a way how you can make money in the market.